Hello everyone, welcome to Nelson School online education program Learn Better. So today we'll be beginning with active and passive voice. Today we'll continue with the active and passive voice transformation of active to passive with the continuous tenses. Okay, so here are our continuous tenses. Today we'll be doing this present continuous. Okay, that is in active voice am is are. Okay, and the verb in ing form will be used. Fine. Now in passive voice we will be using am is are, but that verb's ing will be giving to be form, that is being, because this ing will be given to be form, so it becomes being, as it's a necessity that the verb in the passive voice should be in its past participle form. Okay. Once again we'll have a recap. I used as subject becomes me as an object. We used as a subject becomes us as the object. You used as the subject remains you as the object. He used as the subject changes to him as the object. She used as a subject changes to her as an object. It used as a subject remains it as the object. They used as a subject changes to them as an object. Contents. Transforming of active to passive will be doing with 8 subtenses. 3 of the subtenses are already clear. Today we'll be beginning with the 4th subtense. As we finish the subtenses, then we'll be doing the imperative sentences and then using modals and sentences. That modal and the sentences beginning with let. 2 methods are there as I've taught you. It's assertive sentences and the interrogative sentences. Now assertive could be divided into 2, affirmative and negative and interrogative. So for each tense we shall see these methods: negative sentences, affirmative sentences and interrogative sentences. So let us begin today with present continuous tense. Active to passive, present continuous, the position of the verbs or the words in the active voice with the present continuous tense, affirmative sentence. Now, active voice will have the subject, then some activity is going on, okay, at the time of speaking. So it is am is are plus verb will be in its ing form and then will be the object. So in passive voice, then we have to bring the object ahead. Fine. Am is are will be used same. Only verbs ing will be given to being, be form, so it becomes being. Verb will be used in its third form now. And then by, fourth step, and then s. Now, rules to convert active to passive, present continuous, affirmative sentences. First 2 steps will remain same. Box the subject, underline the verb and circle the object. Number 2, bring the object at the beginning. Number 3, add am is are plus being and the verb in its third form should be used together. Fourth step is to add by and fifth step is to take the subject at the end. Now number 1, the gardener is watering the plants. Whatever these rules are there, we'll put it into practice one by one. So first step is to box the subject, gardener, underline the verb is watering and circle the object, the plants. Okay. Now second step is to bring the object at the beginning. So the plants I have brought. Okay. Because it was gardener, so they have used is. We have plants now, so I'll be using are. Now the verb's ing will be given to be form, so it becomes being. Okay, now the verb becomes water. So third form of water is watered, watered. So are being watered, because being and watered should be used together. Then add by, so we have added, and then take the subject at the last, so it is the gardener. So it sounds the plants are being watered by the gardener. Number 2, we are taking the horses to the stable. Now you have to the subject, so put a box. are taking is the verb, so underline it. The horses is the object, so you have to circle it. Second step, to bring the object at the beginning, so I have brought the object, the horses, ahead. It was we, so they have used are. Again it is horses, so I'll be using are. Okay, then the step add am and being. So now ing you give it to be, that becomes being. Now the third form of the verb take, took, taken. So it is taken. Just keep it in mind that be form and the action verb should be used together. Okay, so are being taken to the stable, extra words, then add by and take the subject at the end, that is we, so it changes to us. So it sounds, the horses are being taken to the stable by us. Same, number 3, we are watching a movie. Okay, so now you have to box the subject, that is we, underline the verb are watching, circle the object a movie. Fine. Second step, bring the object at the beginning. So a movie I have brought. It was we, so they have used are. Now it is singular a movie, so I'll be using is. Now you have to give the ing to be form, remove it. Okay, so it becomes being. Now watch, third form will be watch, watched, watched. Add by, and fifth step is to take the subject at the end, so it changes to us. And then the answer is, a movie is being watched by us. Number 4, Mr. Jackson is building a grand banquet. So box the subject Mr. Jackson, underline the verb is building, and put a circle at the object a grand banquet. Okay, now second step is to bring the object ahead. So a grand banquet, I'll bring it ahead. Next, because it is singular, a banquet, so I'll be using is only. Then you have to put that ing form of the verb to be, so it changes to being. Now it's build, so it is build, built, built. So is being built. Add by, take the subject at the end, Mr. Jackson. So it is a grand banquet is being built by Mr. Jackson. Active to passive, present continuous, the negative sentences. So in active voice, subject will be placed first, then am is are, and before putting the verb in its ing form, they are using not. Reena is not writing a letter. Okay, so the passive voice will be here, the letter, and then you have to put again am is are and not. As I've told you, be form and the verb in its third form are best friends. Okay, so being, because this ing comes down, verb will change to its third form as it is required in passive voice. Then fourth step is to put by, and then finally put the subject. We'll see this full formula as per the rules. Rules to convert active to passive, present continuous, negative sentences. Number 1, box the subject, underline the verb and circle the object. Bring the object at the beginning. As I've told you, first 2 steps will remain same. Add am is are. Okay, after adding am is are, put a negative word not. Why? Because there is a pair of be form and the verb in its third form. They are best friends, so they will lie side by side. Number 4, add by. Number 5, take the subject at the end. So let us put these rules into practice. Number 1, the children are not laughing at the beggar. Okay, so you have to box the subject, the children are laughing is the verb, so you have to underline it. At is the preposition, so wherever the verb goes, the preposition follows. Then you have to circle the object, that is the beggar. Second step, to bring the object ahead, so it is the beggar. Fine. Now because it was children, they have used are. Now my subject is the beggar, so I'll write is. Okay, so after that what we have to put is not, so I'll also put not. Okay, This laughing ing I'll be giving to be form, so it becomes being. Now it changes to third form, so it is laugh, laughed, laughed. So being, laughed. Okay, this pair of best friends should be together. Laughed at, because preposition follows the verb. Then add by, and finally take the subject at the end, that is the children. So the answer is, the beggar is not being laughed at by the children. Number 2, Mr. Rohan is not reading a story. So you have to put a box at the subject Mr. Rohan. Is reading is your verb, so you have to underline it. Then a story here is an object, so you have to circle it. The next step is to bring the object ahead, that is a book. Okay, again book is singular, so I'll be using is only. Now readings ing will be given to being form. Okay, so it becomes being. Now read is there. Third form of read is read, read, read. Children, the spelling is same, but the pronunciation for the past and the past participle gets different. So it is read, read, read. Okay, fourth step is to add by, that we have added. Take the subject at the end, that is Mr. Rohan. So it is, a book is not being read by Mr. Rohan. Rules to convert active to passive, present continuous, negative. Number 3, they are not considering him as a culprit. So they is your subject, you have to put a box. Are considering is the verb, so you have to underline it. Is the object, so you have to put a box. Now you have to bring the object ahead. So him, when it comes ahead, it changes to he. Because it was they have used are. It is he, so I'll be using is. Okay, then not, I'll be bringing down same. Considering ing will be given to be form, so it changes to being. Now it's consider. Third form will be consider, considered, considered. So that is, I have used considered. Okay, considered as what? So considered as a culprit. This also serves as an object. Then add by. So I have added by, and then take the subject at the end. So they changes to them. So it sounds, he is not being considered as a culprit by them. Now number 4, we are not making a plan now. So children, what is the subject? We. Verb is are making. Okay, and the object is a plan, so you have to circle it. Now you have to bring the object ahead. A plan, it was we, so they have used are. It is a plan, so we'll use is. Now not is to be brought down in the same manner. Ing is to be given to be form, so it becomes being. Now it is make, so third form will be make, made, made. So it's made. Number 4, add by, and finally bring the subject at the last, so we changes to us. So it sounds, a plan is not being made by us now. Now is an adverb, so you can place it at the last. Now active to passive, present continuous, interrogative sentences. Now 2 kinds of interrogative sentences could be there, as I've taught you also. It's the one that are WH questions and the one that are inversion questions. WH questions consider and require a brief or the detailed answer, and the inversion questions do require the answer in either yes or no. Fine. So both the kind of interrogative sentences you could come across will begin with the active voice when WH questions are used. Okay, so the formation will be if who is used. So it is who is writing a letter. Fine. So in passive voice, it will by whom is the letter being written. Okay. Next, it could be with the other WH questions. When are they signing a letter? Okay. So then what you will be putting? We will be keeping WH same because triangle we are putting it. Fine. Now as I have told you children, WH is a best friend with helping verb. So these two should be together. Then we have to bring the object ahead. And another pair today we have come across is the be form and the verb in its third form. So children, from now onwards you will have two pairs, likely to have two pairs in interrogative statements. WH helping verb, being, and the main verb or the action verb in its third form. Then by, and then finally the subject. Now when inversion questions are there, when they begin with either of am, is, are, so it is am, is, are, then subject, verb in its ing form, and object. So again you have to use it in the same manner. You have to bring object ahead, give this ing to being, verb will go to its third form, by is added, and then finally subject is taken last. Okay, now when WH questions are there, we are putting triangle, and when am, is, are is there, we are putting double underline. Okay. Rules for changing active to passive interrogative sentences. First I'll read and then slowly and gradually we'll be putting into practice. Number 1 is box the subject, underline the verb and circle the object. As I've told you, first will remain the same. Use triangle to highlight the question words like who, whose, whom, which, what, when, etc. And double underline for helping verbs like am, is, are, as I've cleared in the previous slide. Now step number 3 is begin the passive voice either with the question word, that is who, whom, whose, which, what, when, where, or with the helping verb am, is, are as needed. Use the verbs am, is, are after the question words. As I've told you, WH is a best friend with the helping verbs. Then you bring the object ahead. Then you have to put a new word that is in the ing form, being, okay, and then action verb, because this again serves as a friend. 7th step is to add by, and finally take the subject at the end. But don't forget to put question mark as the sentence is interrogative. Let us put these rules into practice with the following sentences. Number 1, why is he not learning his lessons? Okay, so first thing children, what we are going to do is we have to put a box at the subject, that is he. Not is not learning is a verb, so you have to underline it. His lessons is the object, so we will circle it. Now children, WH question is used. Fine, so I'll put a triangle and bring it down same. Now WH is a best friend with the helping verb. Now this depends which helping verb you will put, depends on what you're going to bring ahead. You're going to bring his lessons, so it's plural. I'll be using are. So my one pair is complete. Y, are. Okay. Now put the object. So that is his lessons. Okay. Not, you have to bring it down. Then this ing, give it to being. Now the action verb comes into its third form. Learn, learnt, learned. So being learned, add by, take the subject at the end, him. So two pairs you could see here, WH, helping verb, being, and the third form of the verb. Why are his lessons not being learned by him? Number 2, whose father is helping you? Fine, again in this case, you don't know the subject. In the sense, whose father? You're asking, you're not sure whose father it is. Fine. So in that case, the subject goes missing. So now you have to underline the verb, that is helping. Circle the object you. Okay. Now next step, if it is a WH question, you have to put a triangle. You have to highlight it with the triangle that I have done already. Whose father? Fine. It's showing the possession. Next step, begin the passive voice with the question word. So I have to begin the passive voice. Okay, because this is a kind in which the doer of the action is placed first. So by whose father? Okay, so in this case a slight alteration is done. Instead of adding by at the step number 7, I'll bring it beginning. So it becomes by whose father. Now children, ing you have to give it to being. Okay, so help changes to helped. Help, helped, helped. Okay, because it was whose father, so it is. Subject is not known, so we have put singular is. Now you are going to bring ahead you, so you takes plural verb, that is are. So answer will be by whose father, Okay, WH and helping verb are. Then object you, being helped, BE form and the third form of the verb. Number 3. Now these are the inversion questions. Are the masons building a house? Okay, so which is your subject? The masons. So you have to box, underline the verb are building, and then you have to put a box at the object, that is a house. Okay, next step, if it is a helping verb, we have to put a double underline. Okay, so same way it used to be brought down in the same manner. It was the masons, so it is are, but it is a house now, so it becomes is. Okay, so is the house. Now ing you have to give it to being, so it becomes being. So build, built, built. Then add by, and finally take the subject at the last, the masons. So it sounds as, is the house being built by the masons? Next, number 4, is he tackling the matter with great care? So it is he, subject, so box it. Underline the verb is tackling, and again is the inversion question also. Circle the object, the matter, fine. With great care is the pair of extra words. Next step, it was he, so they have used it is matter, so I'll again use is only. Now bring the matter ahead. Okay, now this tackling ing will give to being, so it becomes being. Tackle, tackled, tackled, third form. Then add by, so I have added. He changes to him. With great care, extra words. So it sounds, is the matter being tackled by him with a great care? Okay. This is a worksheet, children. You have to solve in your rough notebook. The answers to this worksheet will be given in the next session in both the forms, the PDF form and the video explanation form. There are mixed 10 sentences, present continuous. You have to solve it in your rough book. Next day, I shall be giving you the answers of this worksheet in both the forms. Thank you.